Here we are inside the Lange and Söhne VIP room of all places and checking out the new Odysseus in titanium, full titanium, the first time that Lange has done something like this. It's been extremely rare that they would do one piece here and there in stainless steel. Most of the other pieces are always 18 karat gold or platinum. So for them to come out with a titanium bracelet, no less, it just looks bonkers. This is the third iteration of the Odysseus. The first one was in steel, the second one was in white gold, and this is in titanium, which is also rare, you know, to see 3 iterations in such close succession and in different materials. So that's a new pace from Lange, at least, you know, for us to see that in this current history of the brand, like since its renaissance. I quite like it. I think it looks amazing. It's kind of matte. It's not as showy as you would think. It's a more stealthy kind of watch with a matte dial and the matte bracelet. All the links are individually finished, so they are taken apart and are beveled and polished on the edges and then assembled. And the rest of the case and the rest of the links are crystal blasted, so to speak, for a matte effect. It just looks great. It's really not as showy as some of the other watches that we see these days with the integrated steel bracelet and all that. When you see like someone from 100 feet away that is wearing a Nautilus, this is like completely different. It's much more restrained. It still has the typical Odysseus layout with the day and the date at 9 and 3 o'clock, and it's just the hours and minutes and the seconds after that. This is the only Lange watch that runs at 4 Hertz, and this is the only one that has a full balance bridge for added stability on the back. So this is a lot of firsts for Lange. It's limited to 250 pieces and it's priced at $56,500 US. And you can see more along with hands-on images on aBlogtoWatch.com soon. See you guys there.